Hi, welcome, I'm Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums, and to this video is to accompany my Etsy listing for this beautiful shamanic drum just here. It's a buffalo skin shamanic drum on a 20-inch ashwood frame. So the purpose of the video is that you can have a look at the Etsy listing, and lots of people every day scrolling through having a look, but they can't hear what the drum sounds like. They can only see pictures. Even on Etsy, they give you a video option for the listing, but they don't include sound on the video, which is a bit weird. But anyway, so I do put a YouTube link in the item description, so you can come along and have a listen, and that's where you are. I'm going to pop a link to the Etsy listing below the YouTube video as well, so if you're coming at it from the other angle, you can go and have a look at the Etsy listing too. All that being said, let's have a little play. I'm going to play with a soft beater and a firmer beater, both available to purchase alongside the drum if you choose this to be your own drum. If I just quickly turn the drum over so you can see the back of the drum as well. It's laced with buffalo skin, and the handle is formed in the centre here to make this 4 directions cross. It's called Salish style lacing. So yeah, that's how it's made at the back, and that's where you hold it like that. Let's have a little play. I'm going to start with a soft beater. Beautiful sound. Okay, and now the firmer beater. Beautiful. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helps you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose your drum online. It's always a tricky process. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.